piped in through the wall yesterday. Gonna be outfitting this. Going through here, up above the grid, coming down. Gonna be feeding into this panel. Hey everybody, another fantastic day today. We are going to be going over to the old Skate East location, the ICU Paintball, for everybody else who doesn't know about the Skate East. We're going to be going over there. We've done a lot of progress of remodeling the place, but going to hit it again today. Show you some progress. And we are now over here at the Skate East location. And again, for folks who don't know about the old Skate East location, it is the old ICU Paintball indoor facility. Well, go ahead and take a quick tour inside, see what's going on. And we're going to go about our day doing the rest of the work that we can, at least for today. We'll see how this goes. Let's go on a little nice tour of the facility. You're going to be my workstation for a little bit. You got a pipe in through the wall yesterday while filling. Gonna be outfitting this. Going through here. Nice little box going through ceiling. Up above the grid. Coming down. Gonna be feeding into this panel. What we're also gonna be doing is we're gonna be feeding another circuit coming in through here. We're gonna be going into that box for a fire suppression system that's gonna be mounted on that wall. We're going to be taking these lights out and outfitting them with these lights over here. We ended up getting that room back there powered up yesterday. All these lights are brand new by us. Got my coworker up there right now messing with the wall. A nice little lighting contactor box we've been working on. Everything's going smoothly so far. And we'll be back here soon, guys. Now normally I would just go and screw into the drywall screws, but since it's pure drywall, no wood behind it, use anchors. That way it stays nice and secure up against it. If the anchors will burr out, you gotta grip up against the drywall. And we're back, just talking with my associate over here, getting things figured out. So yeah, something simple. This is going to be your switch, a GFI, and this is going to be a switched outlet for your lights that are going up here. Or not. Pretty easy.